Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to reset Nest Mini as the device is not connected to my device. This is Nest Mini, and here there will be mic on.
The mic's off.
The mic is off.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn the mic's back on.
This is mic on. Hello Google. Hello Google.
The mic's off.
Let's off the mic. Place your finger on the center of the Nest Mini so that
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back,
it will reset.
you are about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Wait for a minute after the bell rings so that it regains its default settings. It is loading now. It completely fatly resetted and is booting newly.
हाय नमस्ते टू गेट स्टार्टेड डाउनलोड द गूगल होम ऐप शुरू करने के लिए गूगल होम ऐप डाउनलोड करें द माइक्स ऑफ माइक बंद है
By this way we can reset the
टू टर्न द माइक बैक
Nest
ऑन
Mini.
स्लाइड द स्विच ऑन द बैक ऑफ दिस डिवाइस द
I'm
माइक इज
sliding
बैक
on.
ऑन माइक फिर से चलने लगा है
Hello Google. Hey Google.
टू गेट स्टार्टेड डाउनलोड द गूगल होम ऐप ऑन अ फोन और टैबलेट शुरू करने के लिए फोन या टैबलेट पर गूगल होम एप्लीकेशन
Thank you for watching this video. After this you have to go to Google Home app and create new home and search for the nearby devices, and after that you get prompted to set up by filling basic details like Wi-Fi and password of it. That's it. Thank you.